Hey, what's up guys? Today we'll be unboxing this Zacro fat tire electric bike. 500 watts, brushless motor, 48 volts, 15 ampere with a built-in Samsung battery. It can run up to 20 miles per hour with dual shocks, 7-speed gears by Shimano. Oh yeah, this e-bike comes with a 3 amperes charger. Yeah, I got this bike from Amazon with a regular price of $1,000. But currently they have a coupon code or a coupon savings of $200. But I got an extra $300 that I got it from Deal News, another promo code where you at the checkout you put this code and it will give you another $300 discount. Plus, of course, you on this kind of deal, even though you have a Prime member, they'll charge you extra $100. And also the handlebars are wrapped with leather. And also it comes with a 3 ampere charger that you can charge for 5 hours. And comes with a manual, of course, and some tools like Allen wrench and wrenches. Alright guys, that will be it, and I'm gonna upload some video hopefully soon regarding about this e-bike, how it performs. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye.